Looking for a hassle-free replacement for your GM vehicle's keyless entry remote? The ACDelco 4-button keyless entry remote is designed to deliver the exact performance you expect from an original GM part. With lock, unlock, panic, and remote start functions, this remote covers all your essential needs in one compact device. What sets this remote apart is its status as a brand new OE replacement, recommended by GM itself. That means it's built to fit perfectly and last just as long as your original remote. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so you're ready to go right out of the box, no extra purchases needed. Programming this remote typically requires a scan tool and a qualified technician, like those at your local GM dealer or ACDelco service center. But here's the catch: many users have found a clever workaround. Instead of paying dealer fees, some simply swap the circuit board from their old remote into the new one, bypassing the programming process entirely. One satisfied owner shared their experience with a 2009 HHR. The unlock button on their original remote was failing, and the dealer quoted over $100 plus labor to replace it. By purchasing this ACDelco remote for under $20 and transferring the old circuit board, they avoided programming fees and got perfect functionality instantly. That's real savings and convenience. Choosing this remote means you're not just buying a replacement, you're investing in reliability and peace of mind. The remote's design matches GM's high standards for durability and service life, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements or malfunctions. If you want a straightforward, cost-effective solution that fits your GM vehicle perfectly, this ACDelco remote is worth a look. Whether you go the programming route or try the circuit board swap, you get the same trusted functionality without the dealer markup. Ready to upgrade your keyless entry experience? The ACDelco 4-button keyless entry remote offers what you need: convenience, durability, and genuine GM quality. Try it when you're ready and enjoy seamless control over your vehicle's security and remote start features.